10 days in Italy on a budget. Rome, Florence, Venice, and Tuscany adventure. Are you ready to explore Italy's most iconic destinations without breaking the bank? Picture this: 10 unforgettable days in Rome, Florence, Venice, and the rolling hills of Tuscany. This isn't just a journey through Italy. It's an adventure packed with history, art, culture, delicious food, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences designed for budget-conscious travelers who want to see it all. From ancient ruins in Rome, Renaissance masterpieces in Florence, picturesque countryside in Tuscany, to the magical canals of Venice, this guide will show you how to explore like a true adventurer, without spending a fortune. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the daily itinerary, some preparation is key to making the most of this journey. Traveling on a budget isn't just about spending less, it's about spending smart. Start by planning ahead and being flexible with travel dates. Look for budget-friendly flights or train options into Rome, your starting point. When it comes to accommodation, hostels, guest houses, or even Airbnb can save you a lot while still ensuring a comfortable stay. For transportation, Italy is well connected by regional trains that are not only cheap but also convenient. Make sure to book tickets ahead of time for better rates. Finally, embrace walking. Many Italian cities are best explored on foot, and walking is not only free but gives you a chance to feel the magic of wandering through cobbled streets and hidden alleys. Pack light, prioritize comfort, and get ready for an immersive experience. Now, let's begin this 10-day adventure with the vibrant heart of Italy, Rome. Start your journey in Rome, a city where ancient history and modern culture collide. The Eternal City is a must-visit destination, and there's no better way to explore its treasures than through a mix of budget-friendly activities and some free experiences. Begin day 1 at the Colosseum, where gladiators once fought to entertain roaring crowds. To save money, book a combined ticket online in advance for the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill. Use early mornings to explore these historic landmarks before the crowds arrive. From here, wander the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill's ruins, an open-air history lesson that transports you back to the Roman Empire's peak. On day 2, head to Vatican City, but don't worry about splurging. Entry to St. Peter's Basilica is completely free. Admire its stunning interiors and climb the dome, for a small fee, for breathtaking views of the city. If you're a fan of museums, research special free or discount days for the Vatican museums. Food in Rome doesn't have to cost a fortune. Try authentic Roman street food like supply, fried rice balls, or pizza al taglio, pizza by the slice, from local bakeries and food stalls in Campo de' Fiori or Trastevere. These areas are packed with charm, and you'll eat like a local without stretching your budget. Don't forget Rome's countless free attractions. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, climb the Spanish Steps, and enjoy people watching in Piazza Navona. As the sun sets, try a free nighttime walking tour and soak in the city's illuminated beauty. Say goodbye to Rome and take a budget-friendly regional train to Florence. Known as the cradle of the Renaissance, Florence is a haven for art lovers and history enthusiasts. On day 4, start by visiting the Florence Cathedral, commonly known as the Duomo. Entry to the main cathedral is free, and if you're feeling adventurous, climb the bell tower or Brunelleschi's dome for a nominal fee. Just make sure to book tickets in advance. Dedicate day 5 to iconic landmarks like Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery and the Uffizi Gallery for Renaissance masterpieces. Research their free entry days or book a combo pass for savings. If museums aren't your thing, explore Florence's beautiful piazzas. Piazza della Signoria is filled with stunning sculptures, while Piazza del Duomo offers spectacular views of the cathedral and its surroundings, for free. For your last day in Florence, explore the Oltrarno district, stroll through the Boboli Gardens, or walk across the historic Ponte Vecchio. These outdoor adventures are either inexpensive or completely free. Indulge in traditional Florentine dishes without spending too much. Grab a lampredotto, a local sandwich, enjoy artisanal gelato, or try budget-friendly trattorias serving pasta made with fresh ingredients. Leave the hustle and bustle behind and journey into Tuscany's rolling hills, just a short train or car ride from Florence. Here, you'll find a quieter side of Italy, perfect for a little relaxation in the middle of your trip. Tuscany is home to charming hilltop towns like San Gimignano and Montepulciano. Wander through narrow streets, marvel at medieval architecture, and enjoy sweeping views of vineyards and olive groves, all absolutely free. No trip to Tuscany is complete without indulging in its world-famous wine. Join a budget-friendly vineyard tour that includes wine tastings for a small fee. Alternatively, stop by local wineries offering free tastings with purchases. Nature lovers will adore Tuscany's dreamy landscapes. Bring a picnic and spend the afternoon soaking in the views or capturing Instagram-worthy photos on scenic roads. Next, take a scenic train ride to Venice, where gondolas glide through enchanting canals and history whispers from every corner. Though Venice has a reputation for being pricey, there are plenty of ways to experience the magic on a budget. On Day 8, explore iconic spots like Piazza San Marco and St. Mark's Basilica. Entry to the basilica is free for the general area, but you can access extra sections for small fees. Another must-visit landmark is the Rialto Bridge, perfect for capturing classic Venetian views. Spend Day 9 exploring less touristy areas like Burano, an island known for its colorful houses and lacework. Public transport via the Vaporetto, water bus, is much cheaper than a gondola ride, offering the same scenic canal views. On your final day in Venice, explore quiet alleys, get lost in the charm of the city, and enjoy budget-friendly art exhibits or crafts markets. For cheap and delicious eats, try cicchetti, Venetian tapas paired with local wine. Small, hole-in-the-wall bars known as baccari are perfect for budget-conscious foodies. Throughout your journey, there are numerous ways to save while maximizing your experience. Opt for regional trains between cities for the lowest fares. Book tickets in advance for discounts. Travel during off-peak seasons to enjoy fewer crowds and better prices on accommodation. Take advantage of free walking tours available in most cities. They're excellent for learning about the history and culture while sticking to your budget. Look out for free museum days or discount passes for attractions. Choose accommodations in central locations to save on transport costs and enjoy easy access to main landmarks. With this 10-day Italian adventure, you'll discover that exploring one of the world's most stunning countries doesn't require a bottomless wallet, just a sense of adventure and some smart planning. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the Renaissance masterpieces in Florence, the serene vineyards of Tuscany, and the romantic canals of Venice, every day will be filled with moments you'll cherish forever. Pack your bags, map out your route, and get ready to make unforgettable memories on a budget. Italy is calling, and this is your chance to answer. Let the adventure begin.